Namaste dear students, how are you all? Hope you people are doing good. So today I am here with one more problem on indices. So that is lengthy questions. So now I am going to do the next problem. So that is problem number 51. So 2011 December question paper problem this is. Okay. So the question is simplify x to the power a whole power 1 divided by b divided by x to the power b whole power 1 divided by a whole power 1 divided by a minus b. So we have solved this kind of problem in previous also, the same kind. So let us solve once again. So not an issue. That is x to the power of b minus 1 whole power 1 divided by b into x to the power of a minus 1 whole power 1 divided by a. So this is the problem which he has given, so which we have to simplify. Okay, so let us start the solution part for this particular problem. Okay, yeah, fine. So let us start the problem. So first let us simplify. So I am taking that is equals to x to the power of a into 1. A 1's a divided by a into b. What? A into b is b, because a into 1 we have multiplied. A 1's a divided by b. Okay, the same way divided by b 1's b divided by a, x to the power of b divided by a whole power 1 divided by a minus b, 1 divided by a minus b. Okay, into next we have x to the power of b minus 1 1 divided by b. Okay, so b minus 1 divided by b is there. So let us take that x to the power of b minus 1 into 1, b minus 1 into 1, b minus 1 into 1, that is b minus 1 divided by b into x to the power of a minus 1 into 1. So that is a minus 1 divided by a, minus 1 divided by a. Clear? So till here I believe you don't have any problem, so you could able to understand. Okay, fine. So after this step, so we are further going to simplify. So that is x to the power of a divided by b, a by b, okay, minus, I am bringing this up, so that is the power of denominator is coming to the numerator power, so that is why this become minus b divided by a divided by b minus b divided by a. Okay, fine, whole power 1 divided by a minus b, 1 divided by a minus b. Okay, into x to the power of b minus 1 divided by b into x to the power of a minus 1 divided by a. Clear? So any doubt? No doubt, right? Yes, then further we have to move then. Okay, so now in the next step, x to the power of a into a, cross multiplication I am doing. A into A is A square. A into A square, minus B into B square, B into A, that is A into B, AB. Okay, divided by AB, divided by AB. So whole power 1 divided by A minus B. Whole power 1 divided by A minus B into x to the power of B minus 1 divided by B into x to the power of A minus 1 divided by A. Okay, so I am copying this step to the next page so that you don't get confusion. I am writing it again. Okay, so this is not a next step. I am copying that step so that you don't get confusion. A square minus B square divided by AB whole 1 divided by A minus B. So into x to the power of B minus 1 divided by A into x to the power of A minus 1 divided by A. So the same step I have taken. So whenever you get this kind of answer, so how you can write this answer? How you are going to write this answer? See, for this I have already in the previous problem also I told you how you should treat this and how this work. Okay, A square minus B square divided by AB, that is whole power 1 divided by A minus B. Clear? So in the next step, what simplification we can do? So remove the squares. So that is x to the power of A plus B divided by AB into that is 1 divided by A minus B into 1 divided by A minus B. This one I have taken directly. Okay, A minus B. So next into x to the power of B minus 1 divided by A into x to the power of A minus 1 divided by A. Okay, so next what you have to do is, next step, so you can bring all the powers together. So now whatever we have, everything we should bring it together. Okay, how? Because now A plus B into 1 A plus B. Clear? AB into A minus B. So that remains same. That will not bring any changes. So this remains same. Okay, so then your answer for the next step is going to be x to the power of A plus B. A plus B have written the same thing. A plus B plus AB plus AB plus AB, that is AB into 1. Okay, minus A, this one I am bringing up, minus A, then plus AB. Okay, plus AB minus B. Okay, so how do you got this A and B over here? Do you know that? Don't know? See, this should be multiplied by this. I think this is B, not A. I have written it as a. This is B. Cross multiplication. B ones are B, A ones are A. So that you can get a clarity of that. So A minus B is AB. So that is A minus B. Then this BA. Okay, so that is cross multiplication of the denominators I have done. Okay, so now just check which are all you can cancel and how you can cancel. See, plus A minus A got cancelled, plus B minus B got cancelled, plus AB plus AB got cancelled. Okay, so divided by this AB remains here, divided by AB. Okay, So actually this AB plus plus, right? We cannot cancel this. This is AB and AB remains same. Okay, so you cannot cancel. So then that is equals to x to the power of plus AB, that is 2AB divided by AB, So now if you carry this x to the power of 2AB minus AB, so that is plus AB minus AB get cancelled, so left out is x to the power of 2. So you should remember that we always go with formulas. So that I have already taught you that formula, that is why I never repeated it again. So if you want, you can remember this formula. So wherever we go this kind of problem, that AB kind of problem, so that is A plus B whole square, that is equals A square plus B square plus 2AB. So you should not forget this. The same way, A minus B whole square equals A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, the same way, A plus B cube equals A cube plus B cube plus 3AB. Clear? So the same formula I have applied over here to calculate this part. So if you apply this formula over here, so you can easily solve that. So if still more the steps, I'll just write it so that you don't get confused. A to the power of 3 plus B to the power of 3 minus 3AB. Okay, so this is the formula, so the which we follow, that is A minus B. Okay, so the same way, A square plus B square is always is equal to A plus B into A plus B. So A square plus minus B square, A square minus B square, so that is A square minus B square, that is always equals A plus B, A minus B. Okay, the same thing I have applied here. If you look at this calculation, A square minus B square is there, divided by AB. So A square minus B square, so that is A square minus B square, that is 2AB. Clear? So that is A plus B, we have converted into A plus B. Clear? The same way here, A plus B I have done, plus AB I have provided. Okay, so that is how we calculate these steps. Clear? Fine. So next we will move to the next problem, problem number 52. Problem number 52 we will solve. That is again April 2011 question paper problem. The question is simplify 3m plus 1 into 3 minus m plus 2 into 3 to the power of m whole power 0 minus 2 81 to the power of m divided by 4 into 3 to the power of minus m. So this is the problem, so for which we have to do the answer, okay. So now let us take the common factor. So we have to simplify this. So in the first stage, what I am writing, whatever the information has been given. The same way, 3 to the power of m plus 1 into 3 to the power of minus m plus 2 into 3 to the power of m into 0, that is m into 0 is 0, 3 to the power of 0 minus 2, 81 is there. So for 81, what is the LCM value? Just check out, 3 to the power of 4, right? Just calculate and confirm. 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So that is 3 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4. So 3 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4 whole power m divided by 4. M divided by 4. Okay. Into 3 to the power of minus m. So actually one of the student, I think she had a doubt. So that is 27 into 3 for 81. LCM you know, right? That is 3 27s are right. 3 27s are, then 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. So that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is equals 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So that is what 81 here. 3 to the power of 4 whole power m divided by 4 into 3 to the power of minus m. Okay, so the reason why I got 4, because there is a power 4, so I am damn sure, so we will get with the 4 power only. Okay, so till here you people are clear, right? Yes. In the next step I am writing the same thing, so I am not changing anything. 3 to the power of m plus 1 into 3 to the power of minus m plus 2 into 3 to the power of 0 minus 2 into 3 to the power of 4 whole power m divided by 4. 4 get cancelled. 3 to the power of 4 left. 3 to the power of minus m. So in the next stage, so I am going to simplify as much as possible. Okay, that is 3 to the power of m plus minus m gone. So bases are same. So left out is 3 to the power of 1. Okay, so bases are same, I have added. Plus 2 left, I am copied, into 3 to the power of 0. 3 to the power of 0 is always equals to what? 1. How? That is a to the power of 0 equals 1. So 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So by applying this simple formula, so that is 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 minus 2. Okay, then 3 to the power of m. Okay, that is into 3 to the power of m minus m. So bases are same. So I am adding the powers minus m. So here what happened again? Plus m minus m got cancelled. Okay, plus m minus m got cancelled. Okay. So in the next stage, 3 to the power of 1 is equal to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 into 2 ones are 2. This is 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 minus 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So I repeated somewhere, right? Three plus 2 is correct. Minus 2 correct. Then minus 2 again. I think somewhere I have done a mistake. This 3 to the power of 1 correct, plus 2 correct, into 3 to the power of 0 is 1 minus 2. 3 to the power of 0 correct. Yes, that is correct. Okay, what I have to do is like this. So 2 into 3. So that is how it works. Fine. Till here it is correct. In the next step, 3 to the power of 1 plus 2 ones are 2 minus 2 into 3. Okay, so only till here. So now here plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Okay, so 3 is left. Okay, so 3 is left out. So that is the ultimate answer is 3 ones are 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. So that is answer is 3. Answer is 3. Okay. See, I made a simple mistake. Instead of multiplying here, what I did, I multiplied 1 into minus 2. So that is where I got 2 here. Actually, it is 1 minus 2. So I should not do this. I should 2 multiply 2 ones are. So that is what 2 ones are 2 I got here. And minus 2 plus 3. So that is plus 2 minus 2 got cancelled. This 3 remained. So 3 ones are 3. So that is 3 answer. Okay, 3 ones are 3 is the answer. So I believe you are clear with this question and you don't have any doubt. So let us move further to the next problem. Problem number 53. Problem number 53. The question has been asked in June 2010 and the question is if m equals x to the power of a, okay, then n equals x to the power of b and x to the power of 2 equals m to the power of b into n to the power of a whole power c. Prove that a, b, c equals 1. This kind of problem also we have done, but this is he has done some this one, some tricky he has used here. Okay. So here you have to understand x square, that is x to the power of 2 equals m to the power of b into n to the power of a whole power c. This is what he has given. Okay, that is x square means. So that means what we can say is x to the power of 2 equals m to the power of b into c, that is m to the power of bc, m to the power of b into c, m to the power of bc into n to the power of a into c, ac, n to the power of ac. Okay, so that is equals x to the power of a whole power bc, x to the power of a whole power bc into x to the power of b whole power ac. I have just done the cross multiplication. Okay, because x square equals, that means x is this value. So I have made it m as a x. So m to the power of a into bc and x to the power of b, that is n to the power of ac, whatever he has given, that I have converted into x. So x to the power of b into ac. Okay, into ac I have converted like that. Okay, so next step what we can do is x to the power of 2 is equal to x into abc, a into bc, that is x to the power of abc into x to the power of b into ac, x to the power of abc. Okay, so hence bases are same, power should be added. Okay, hence this is the power, bases are same, power should be added, that is x to the power of 2 equals x to the power of ABC plus ABC. ABC plus ABC. So that is x to the power of 2 equals x to the power of 2ABC. Okay, x to the power of 2ABC. So that is x gets cancelled. 2 equals 2ABC. 2 equals 2ABC. So if you bring this to 2 divided by 2 equals ABC. 2 ones are 2. So that is 1 equals ABC. That is 1 equals ABC. Understood? Yes. So if that is the case, let us move to the next problem without any further delay. So in the next problem, problem number 54. Problem number 54. If a to the power of x equals b and b to the power of y equals c, c to the power of 3 equals a. Prove that x, y, z equals 1. Prove that x, y, z equals 1. Prove that x, y, z equals 1. So let us look into that part. A to the power of x equals b. Okay. The same way, b to the power of y equals c. C to the power of 3 equals a. Whatever he has given, I have just copied that. Okay. Clear? So now, a to the power of x equals b. C to the power of z. C to the power of z equals a. C to the power of z equals a. Okay, so if that is the case, a to the power of x can be c to the power of z. Correct? So I am bringing this in this place. See, a equals c to the power of z. So what I am doing? C to the power of z whole power x equals b. Or you can call b dash also, but I am writing it as a b. I am writing it as a b. Okay. I am writing it as a b. The same way, b to the power of y it is. B to the power of y equals c. Correct? So b to the power of y equals c. So that is c value is how much? That is b value is a to the power of x. So I am bringing here a to the power of x whole power y equals c. That is c dash b dash, because we are converting it, right? So the same way, c to the power of z. So what is the value of c to the power of c? That is b to the power of y. So let me convert this into b to the power of y whole power z equals a. See what I have done in this step, don't get confused. I have just placed in the place of a, that is x to the power of z, that is equals to a. So he said a equals c to the power of z. So what I did, I have brought it down to the value. So that is why when I am changing this, I have made it as a b dash instead, only b. C to the power of z equals a. So that is, I have written a place c to the power of z whole power x, I have remained same. The same way, b to the power of y. So that is, what is the b value he has given? So b value is a to the power of x. So a to the power of x whole power y I have written, that is y. The same way, what is the value of c? So c value he has given in the problem, that is b to the power of y. So b to the power of y whole power z equals a. Okay. Okay. So now in the next stage, z into x, zx, c to the power of zx equals b dash The same way a to the power of xy, correct, a to the power of xy, so that is x into y, okay, that is equals c dash, and the same way b to the power of y into z, yz equals a dash. Okay, till here you are clear, right? Fine. So now again, so what I am going to do here, so I am going to write in the next stage, that is in the next stage what I am going to write, when the bases are same, that is when bases are same, so we can add the powers, correct, but here xz is there, zx is there, okay, then xy is there, then xyz is there, yz is there, okay, so that is c to the power of zx equals b dash, a to the power of x into y, xy, that is c dash, b to the power of yz equals a dash, okay. So now what we can do is, so again we can go and we can change the values. So how? See here what he said, a equals b to the power of y into z, okay. So if you look at, we can make a changes over, that is c is equal to a to the power of xy, correct, a to the power of xy, a to the power of xy, so that we can create. So I am copying that, c to the power of, that is zx, xz, I am just interchanging, xz equals b dash, then c to the power of z into xy, that is c to the power of xyz equals c dash, then a to the power of xyz equals a dash, okay. So now by considering this, here xyz and xyz I got, so that is xyz and xyz I got, so xyz if you take xyz equals 1, xyz equals 1, xyz equals 1, xyz equals 1. So just I have replaced the value of the same, okay, equal. So I have just done the equal equation, so that is xyz equals 1, xyz equals 1, okay. So when you take that, b whole power, that is y whole power xz, that is equals b, so that is b xyz equals b dash. So since b gets cancelled, so xyz is equal to 1, xyz is equal to 1, okay. So I'm done with this problem, so I'll stop here. I'll come back with one more problem. Till then, take care, see you soon, bye bye, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourself and your family members, and create positive atmosphere so that everybody will become optimist. So take care, bye bye.